everyone. How are you guys? I'm so excited. I'm announcing that tonight I'm going live with Kristie at Metta, Mandala Art and Booksmith, and Randi Kirby, who is her YouTube channel is Speckled Seahorse. They both have donated these beautiful items. Well, a lot of art here and some beautiful, you'll see. I'll go through each one of these items, but tonight us three ladies are going to be going live. I want them to get a chance to talk with you about the Kristie and her art, and Randi and what she creates, and to hang out, pretty much to do crafts together and that. And so you guys get to know them. But these items that are going to be shown are going to be going up for the silent auction for the fundraiser for Laura at Laughing Dogs Book Nook. So let me get right at it. So we'll make this quick and easy so I don't have to speak about a whole lot of info. I just hope you guys join us live. Like I said, it is 7 p.m. tonight Central Time. Down below, I will have a direct link to the live. Just click on that. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't forget to join in, kind of thing. But I'm so excited about this because it's the first time I've actually got to do a live where I could just hang out and craft with two wonderful people that do artistic things, and just to talk about what they do. I mean, they have donated their beautiful, precious art, which I can't wait to share with you guys. I mean, just beautiful. The cool thing about Kristie is that if you do, down below is her YouTube channel. Check it out. But she does this beautiful meditative painting where she has meditative music, and she paints these beautiful canvases. And they are up for the silent auction. But tonight, she is going to be painting one of her canvases, and she's giving it away to you guys tonight. The same thing for Randi. She's going to be creating something tonight. I'm not sure all exactly it is, but the things that they are creating, they're going to be doing a giveaway by the end of the evening. So I hope you check it out, not only to be part of the art, but part of the giveaway as well. But look at this. This canvas here is an 8x8. And it's amazing. If you do follow her YouTube channel, watch her videos. It's so relaxing, and just to see her create this beautiful art is amazing. She made me this beautiful letter here. Look at that. And it's totally her. If you get to know her, you'll know this is totally beautiful. I love the tape, and I love the stamp, and I love how she did the paint. She loves the paint, and she wrote me a letter, and she says, I hope these canvases are okay. Well, oh my goodness, they're beyond okay. She goes, however you think they most please to use them. She goes, I thank you so much for letting me be part of the fundraiser for Laura at Laughing Dogs Nook. You are an inspiration to me. Oh my gosh, I'm an inspiration to her. This is inspiration to me, and I really love it. She says, namaste and big love to you, Kristie. So this is one of 3 arts that we have here. Now, if you can't do the live tonight, that's fine. Down below also is the direct link to each one of these pieces. You just go to that link, and you could do be part of the silent auction, pretty much. Just click on that link, read the information, and down below you comment your bid, pretty much. So there is that one. And she has this beautiful paper too. She wrapped it in. It's very waxy. Look at this one. Another 8x8. Look how beautiful, guys. I mean, this is beautiful. The talent, and as she signed the back of each one, it's going to be so much fun. I can't wait till tonight. I hope you guys do come. I really do. It's going to be a first for me. I've never been live with someone doing painting before. My daughter Abby loves the paint, and I told her all about it, and I hope she can be there tonight with you guys too. And my daughter likes doing acrylic painting, but it's beautiful. I mean, the finish she has on these art pieces and how she signs them. But I love to know more information about this one. This is different. I don't know what this means, and that's why I wanted to do a live, so then she can explain to us how and what she did to finish these pieces. And I can't wait. Oh, I love that sound of paper. So thank you, Kristie. I can't wait to see you tonight, hon. And this here is from Randi, for those who know her as the Speckled Seahorse. She has a YouTube channel as well. Both these ladies do, and an Etsy shops as well. And so Randi contacted me, and of course you have to see this envelope. I fell in love with it when I seen it. Totally retro. I'm sure I had this as a kid. This is so cute. So cute. And she wrote, look at her handwriting. Beautiful, Randi. I love your handwriting. She goes, here are the bookmarkers. she says she's been on her heart to donate these to the fundraiser. She says she hopes in a small way that the Lord blesses the fundraiser in a big way. If you're able to make, she wants to know if I need her to make more. But this is beautiful. I love every bit of this. We've been talking because I didn't realize what bobbin lace was, but bobbin lace is not only hard to get your hands on, but it's crazy expensive. So she made 5 of these, I think 5. Yeah, I think 5 of these bookmarkers on bobbin lace. Isn't that adorable? If you get a chance, look up bobbin lace on the internet. You guys will know exactly how it's done and made. It's really hard and it's really fine and totally vintage. But these are like boho India inspired themed bookmarkers, and like I said, there's 5 of them. But look at the pieces she put together, and they're 2-inch by, what did I said 6 by 2 by 6, I think. No, 8. I think it's 8 inches. But they're rather nice size bookmarkers, and look at the colors. Each one of them are so beautiful. It's just, oh my gosh, look at this blue. Oh my goodness. And look at the beautiful Indian theme fabrics. These are all beautiful silks. And we have some different, we got the sequenced and the applique pieces. I don't know if you notice, if I can show you on one, here we go, close up on this blue one. Each one is stitched on with a beautiful stitch work, like different patterns on each. But look how beautiful, guys. So look at all those beautiful bookmarkers. She's going to be on tonight to talk about them. And I wonder what her giveaway is going to be all about. So I can't wait to see you guys tonight at 7:45 Central Time. Please, down below is the link. Also, everything below is on about their Etsy channels, their Etsy shops, YouTube channels, and all that down below. I can't wait to hang out with these ladies. I'm going to have a blast. I know I'm going to. So can't wait to see you guys and share this. And I can't wait to put this into my webpage for the silent auction that is going to go up today. So very, very excited. I can't wait to see you guys tonight and talk all about this. So until next time, guys, see you tonight. Bye.